Welcome to Jillian Trumpet Creative. Today we are turning up the heat to show you how to iron out the wax and unveil the true beauty of your batik creation. This is a tutorial on how to iron out the wax from your batik painting. A batik is not complete until you have removed the wax. Now there are two methods to remove wax from batik. The one we are doing in this tutorial is the iron out method. When you have completed your batik painting, you will see that the waxed lines are now very prominent because they are retaining the original white color of the fabric. When you touch these lines, they will feel stiff and somewhat rigid. When the wax is removed, the fabric will regain some of its suppleness. To begin, you will need to remove and discard the staples from the back of the frame. Use the staple remover. After all the staples are removed, remove the wooden frame and set aside. Now you're ready to iron out your batik. Ready your workspace by placing an ironing pad or cloth on your flat surface. You may place some paper towels on top of your ironing pad. On top of the paper towels, place one sheet of newsprint. This is included in your kit. Place your batik on top of the newsprint face up and place another newsprint sheet on top of your batik. Heat your iron on the highest setting. Do not use steam. Using your hot iron, go back and forth over the batik. The newsprint will start absorbing the melted wax. Shift the paper around to use unsaturated areas. Apply some pressure with the iron. Repeat these steps